Brush with oil, understanding the phrase in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, brush with oil. This is a common expression used in cooking and other contexts. We'll dive into its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it confidently in your daily English conversations. So, let's get started. Brush with oil is a phrase that literally means applying a thin layer of oil onto a surface using a brush. It's commonly used in cooking, where you might brush oil onto pans, meats, vegetables, or baking items. But it's not just limited to cooking. This phrase can also be used metaphorically in various contexts. In cooking, brush with oil is a technique to prevent sticking, enhance flavor, or achieve a golden brown finish. For example, you might brush a baking tray with oil before placing dough on it. Or, you might brush vegetables with oil before grilling them. This method is essential for achieving the desired texture and taste in many recipes. Metaphorically, brush with oil can be used to describe applying a small but significant amount of something. For example, in painting, you might brush with oil to apply a finishing touch. In conversations, it could mean to lightly touch upon a topic or detail. Let's look at some examples. 1. Cooking. Before putting the chicken in the oven, I always brush it with oil to keep it moist. 2. Metaphorical. In his speech, the mayor just brushed with oil on the issue of budget cuts, without going into details. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of brush with oil. It's a versatile phrase with applications in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Remember, when it comes to language, context is key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations. See you in the next video.